this is Noreen from diycards and welcome to my quick tips. Yay! Please hit that subscribe button and here you go. Here's a quick tip. When you have a stamp and die set, what you can do is on the stamp, put that it goes with whatever die it's called. Then you know it has a die. Or if it has a punch, put the punch name there so you know it has a die or a punch. And then on your dies, what you should do is get some of these magnetic sheets. Put the name of the die, what it goes with, its part number so you know how to find it, and then how many dies it has. And you can get the quantity of the dies right here on the back. Also take the plastic sheet that it comes in, flip this over, put some nice big packing tape over so it closes nicely. Keep this inside on the back and put these in. And then when you store it, I have one of these storage things and I put it in here. And so that's a quick tip. Bye.